Isn't that just cute? Put it anywhere. You don't even have to use this. You can just stand by itself on a flat surface. Okay guys, let's talk about lighting. Why is lighting so important? Well, as you can see, it is important, especially when you're in a studio setting and you want to start doing YouTube videos in a studio setting, talking about, well, probably lights, or maybe a drone, or maybe a new camera. So lights are important. And I'm gonna tell you something about the price. I can't actually remember how much they cost, but something around that price. These lights are budget lights, every one of them. As you can see in the footage, it looks okay. So I highly suggest going with the budget option. Why do you need aperture lights when you can get a newer light, or a Viltrox light, or Ulanzi lights that are pretty cheap? So let's get on to it. Now here on the left side, the main light, the newer LED light panel. This is an awesome LED light panel. It was cheap as hell, 120 bucks or so. There is no RGB functions on it, but you can turn down the temperature, turn up the temperature, warmer or lighter, and you can of course adjust the brightness, which is fine by me. I don't need RGB functions at this light because it is my main light and it is the light I use just to lighten up my face and my body and show it on the videos. I don't want to show my body on the videos. Gained some weight lately. On the right side we have a key light. Now why is a key light important? Well, I'll show you. Wrong button. There you go. As you can see, the half of my face is, well, in the shadows. It doesn't look good at all. A key light is a light just to turn on the shadows a little bit, still have contrast on your face, and it looks really nice and comfortable, and it's really pleasing to the eye. Now, these lights here, these are the wheel lights that are from Viltrox. These are RGB functioning. They have a lot of different modes. So here's the RGB. You can change the reds, the greens, the blues as you want, and there you can see the percentage, what is shown on each individual color, that you can just adjust it to your liking. Now then there's this mode that changes the color constantly. You can change it from A to B to C, and I think it's just to change the circular motion or the color motion in that mode, nothing else really. This is something I rarely use. Then there's the flash. You can actually use this as a lightning, for example for movie videos. There's A, B and C. Then there is the cop light. You can have it faster lights, or then the basic red and blue. Then there's like this, I don't actually know what this is. There's a logo over there that shows you that this is some kind of night sea, or see at night. Then there's like, I guess these are balloons, so it's like party time. Then there's 2 champagne bottles. This is like, I guess, New Year or something. Then there's that is actually a treasure chest. You can put this into a chest to change colors, and it looks like you're looking at gold or something. Like, I found the treasure. I'm a true pirate, eh? Grass. Just grass. And then there's a night sea again. Okay, mode 1 and mode 2, just basic. Change it by the temperature or then by the lighting you want, so it's sunny, cloudy, shadow, etc. So that is the wheel light. I love this light. It is easy to use. It is actually one of my wheel lights is the key light over here, and this one usually just use it as a moving light somewhere behind or in the background or somewhere else. And then the third light is the Ulanzi lights. These are my newest lights. These are magnetic. They just pop onto anything metal, and it's actually pretty comforting and pretty easy, because if I want to use this as a key light, I don't have to screw it onto anything. I can just put it on there. As you can see, it's lighting up half of my face with orange, what I do not want. There are a lot of modes here. By pressing the on-off button once, you can change to different kind of modes. There's candlelight, party, fault bulb, pulsing, strobe, RGB strobe, paparazzi, emergency, H/L beam, red flash, green flash, blue flash, HSI slow, cop car, ambulance, fire engine, lightning, fireworks. There's 20, I guess 20 different modes in this light, okay? And then there's the setting that you can change the lighting by the temperature. It goes actually to 8000K, and this is 2500K, so a lot of variety. The price on these, like I said, the newer LED light is about 120 bucks. The Wii lights, I think they're actually pretty cheap now. These are the older models. They don't have any kind of remotes or anything, or Bluetooth connections, and you need a mini USB to recharge them, so I guess 20 to 30 bucks. And these Ulanzis I bought two, they cost together 60 bucks. 60 bucks for two. The more you buy, the cheaper it gets. That's how things go nowadays. So now then, why is my background blue and why is my mood lights orange? Well, blue because usually skin tones have red or orange colors, and if I use red or orange as a backlight, that means that I'm gonna wash out into the background, and I just want myself to pop up a little bit, so that's why blue. And blue is known as a calming color, so people love to watch blue. And then orange for contrast. They are opposite colors on the color wheel, orange and blue, so they work together perfectly. So that's about it. That is my light video. Hope you liked it. Hope this gives you inspiration to light your studio and start making videos. So if you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll be doing these kind of videos a little bit more. So I'll be seeing you in the next one. Now, totally forgot to tell you what makes that blue light in the background. I've got two different lights that work together perfectly. These are called Whiz lights. Whiz lights, I bought them from my local store and they cost about 20 to 30 bucks. They connect to the Wi-Fi, they connect to Google Home, and I can just control them with my voice. Okay, Google, turn off Hero. Okay, Google, turn off Quest. Okay, Google, turn on Hero. Okay, Google, turn Hero to orange. And that's how they work. I have no idea why I use narrator voice to control them, but okay, Google, turn off the lights. And that's it. See you on the next one.